In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Teamviewer on your mobile device. Whether you're new to remote access or looking to enhance your productivity by connecting your mobile to another device seamlessly, this guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get started with Teamviewer on your mobile. First things first, we need to ensure you have the right application installed. Start by opening your preferred internet browser on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Teamviewer and hit Enter. Once you've arrived at the official Teamviewer website, look for the option to download the host application. This is essential, as the host application is the tool that will allow your devices to connect and communicate effectively. Follow the prompts to install it on your mobile device. It's typically a quick and straightforward process. Once installation is complete, it's time to launch the app. Open Teamviewer on both the device you wish to control, which we'll refer to as the remote device, and your mobile device, which acts as the local controller. If you haven't already installed Teamviewer on both, be sure to do this now. Having both apps opened side by side will facilitate a smooth setup process. Next, you'll want to search for Remote Support within the Teamviewer application on your mobile device. This feature is key, as it allows you to remotely connect and provide support or manage tasks on the other device. It's a very useful tool, especially if you need to troubleshoot issues or manage files from afar. Once you've located the remote support feature, you will need to connect to the other device by adding its ID under the remote control section. This ID is a unique identifier for each Teamviewer installation and is essential for pairing your devices securely. After entering the ID, you'll be prompted to connect, so go ahead and confirm. This step might feel a little technical, but rest assured, once the ID is entered correctly, the connection process is automated from here and only takes a moment. Before the connection is fully established, the mobile user will need to grant access. This means if you're connecting to someone else's device, you'll need their permission to proceed. A notification will pop up on their screen asking them to allow access. Simply wait for them to confirm this, and you'll be all set. And there you have it. With just those few steps, you're able to connect and control another device right from your mobile. This setup expands your workspace to virtually anywhere and is incredibly handy for remote support, work, or access to files when you're on the go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.